Hi, I'm Zach Fagenson with Miami Today, and I'm here at Frank Crystal & Company's offices on Brickell Avenue for an interview with their Florida Managing Director, Ramon Mas Canosa. Mr. Mas Canosa sold his company, the Gables Financial Group, to Frank Crystal early in 2010 and came on as Executive Managing Director to expand its operations both in international business and also with small businesses throughout the state. Mr. Mas Canosa is also a director of the foundation. His brother, Jorge Mas Canosa, started the Cuban-American National Foundation. His work there is focused on scholarships for Cuban students poised to become leaders of the country when it becomes free. He's also an avid golfer.
Well, you know, we live in a very litigious society, so one that comes to mind is obviously your umbrella policy, you know, to cover you in the event of that you get sued and carry higher limits of coverage. And that happens very regularly. You know, we live in a society where you see the billboards that say, "Who can you sue.Com?" You know, so that's one coverage is extremely popular with the well-to-do. Get involved in an accident is no longer an auto policy that you know may pay you $250,000, but somebody sue you for $2-3 million is because you do have the net worth to back it up. So that's extremely popular insofar as coverage is concerned. You know, the autos, the automobiles, the collections, the art, the planes, the boats, the toys. You know, you have. They're all highly insured by the high net worth individual. Yes, wasn't built on, but the real base of our client. You know, these are individuals that are, you know, have been well off for a long time and will continue to be well off, and they take care of their insurance needs in that fashion. No, I wouldn't say that we have seen an impact on that. Well, we're quite unique on that we do a lot of work with financial planners and wealth managers, large firms that we have been doing business with for a long, long time. And part of really of a critique of a client portfolio really involves their own personal risk management, and not only from the corporate side, but also from the individual side. So if you have a home here in Miami, and you have a home in Colorado, and you have maybe an apartment in the Bahamas, and you know, you have cars. I mean, these are people that basically have wealth. And so we work a lot with the largest wealth management firms in the U.S. And we recognize as such because we do a very specific review of their own client risk management. The majority of them are not geared to do that. We are. I mean, that's one area where we have excelled and will continue to excel, and it shows tremendous growth potential. Just really taking a look at, and people sometimes they don't pay attention to that. You know, you may have a home and you buy a policy here in Florida, and you have one in Colorado, and you pay another one in Colorado, and you maybe buy something for overseas. And there are ways of combining this into one policy and cover all your properties and on all your cars, and it actually simplifies their, and also the fact that we service those clients locally. I mean, in our offices throughout the United States, so they can call us and they'll get immediate attention from someone that is experienced, that is aware of their coverage right online, and take care of whatever claims issue they have. We actually have a claims office here in our Miami office as well. So anybody, you know, we can handle it as well, you know, on their behalf. So the idea again is to serve the client, you know.